guys, it's me Lex, and today I'm going to be showing you some 5 easy to do Halloween costumes. So these are really interesting. I like literally all of them. They were all super fun to make. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Ta-da! This is my costume. That's what I have for the witch costume, the hat and the nose and these socks. I got them at Target in the dollar section. So this is basically easy costumes on a budget or whatever. Wait, I have it. I already had this black shirt with the pants. So that was easy. And then all I had to do was put on the makeup and get the nose, hat, and socks. That was it. Smell right. Yeah, anyways, this is the witch costume. Now let's get out of here and I'll show you the next one. Outfit number 2, I got this outfit. So here I go. So yeah, this is me as a cheetah. Anyways, now to outfit number 3. No, 3. Okay guys, so this is outfit number 3. And as you can see, it's really simple. You don't have to wear makeup. See? No makeup. Oops. Oh my God, that made a noise. Okay. So yeah, all you basically need for this easy outfit is a headband, which I got. It has like little bat wings. I have this glittery bat mask. And then I have this cloak. Here, yeah, see? So you just go, or whatever. Yeah, that's my cloak. See? That's outfit number 3. Let's go on to outfit number 4. Good. Hey guys, this is outfit number 4. So basically all you need is some freckles, some glasses, some pigtails, and some suspenders. Ow. Some suspenders. So you need to have a nerd costume. Then all you gotta do is this and go, hello. So yeah, that's basically my costume. The easy costume. All you gotta do is find some glasses, take out the lens, and put some white tape around the thing. And yeah, and then put some freckles and your pigtails. Now, on to outfit number 5. The last one, the final outfit. Okay, goodbye. Okay guys, so this is the final outfit or costume for Halloween. And yeah. So as you can see, I have the same black shirt because it goes well with literally all the costumes I wear except for the witch one. But yeah. So I'm wearing it again. And then I have my makeup done, little whiskers. Yeah, that stuff. And then I have my ears up here, which are a little lopsided and like weird, but yeah, that's my ears. I have my black shirt, and that's my costume. Just go around in your tricky bag. Oh. Okay, there we go. It's unfocused. But anyways, yeah, so this is the final costume. Comment down below if this helped you decide what you want to be for Halloween if you haven't already.